Well, this weekend we're keeping an eye on the Gulf and some tropical developments. But Blake, you're not very worried that it could make its way up to Houston.
That's correct. Yeah, it's very unusual for a tropical system to impact the state of Texas after October the 1st. And the last time we were directly impacted by a hurricane after October 1st, you'd have to go all the way back to 1989. That was October the 15th when Hurricane Jerry made a direct hit on the Houston-Galveston area as a Category 1 hurricane. But we've had nothing since then, but it is still busy out there. Remember, the hurricane season goes all the way through November the 30th, and we are monitoring not one, not two, not three, but now 4 areas across the Atlantic as things begin to heat up once again. We're monitoring this little system here, a system out here in the open Atlantic, this little system right here, which now has a 70% chance of development, and of course Tropical Storm Gamma that is now moving into the Gulf of Mexico. So there's your systems right there. Again, very busy this evening, and I'm growing more and more concerned about this one here, which is likely to become Delta over the course of the next couple of days, and we'll see that move into the Gulf of Mexico as well. And what happens to it from there remains to be seen. Most of the computer models take this east of Louisiana, but again, it's 2020 and I don't want to rule out anything just because tropical systems moving towards Texas are very unusual. It is still something we're going to continue to watch. So this is the system here. This is Invest 92L, a 70% chance of development on that one. And then, of course, we have Gamma here, a very well-pronounced system. They actually issued a hurricane warning there for the Yucatan Peninsula earlier today. It did not officially make hurricane status, but nonetheless a very well-developed system now moving back out over the waters of the southern Gulf of Mexico. This one expected to take a west-southwest turn, according to the Hurricane Center, and then meander down here in the Bay of Campeche over the course of the next couple of days. So the reason why you've got high pressure centered over us, that's what gave us the beautiful weather today. That is what's going to help push Gamma off to the west and southwest. There is another front that will come through on tomorrow, but that system will begin to fall apart, and that may open the door to what may become Delta moving into the Gulf of Mexico. And again, where it goes from there remains to be seen, something we'll continue to watch. As far as the names go, well, we're out of regular names, so the next one on the list is going to be Delta, Epsilon, Zeta, Eta, and Theta. Say that 3 times fast. All right, taking a look here live outside over the city of Houston, over Space Center Houston, I should say. A beautiful evening down there in the Clear Lake area. 69 degrees the current temperature at Bush Airport, 70 degrees at Hobby, 63 in Conroe. And I think most of us are waking up to those upper 50s and lower 60s before temperatures move on up to near 80 degrees by the lunch hour. Highs tomorrow should be right back in the mid 80s, getting into the heat of the day. So over the next 7 days, lots of sunshine. In fact, I've taken the chance of rain out of the forecast for next Saturday. So over the next 7 days, Ron, we're talking about bright sunny skies, overnight lows in the 50s and 60s, highs in the mid 80s. As you like to say, it is Rocktober, baby.
Rocktober is what life is all about. Thank you so much, Blake.